Okay guys, welcome to the first video of Tech with Clock. So if you clicked on the video, this means that you would like to learn Amazon EC2. The first thing you need to do is log into your Amazon account and you can either search for EC2 at the top over here and click on it. And it should take you to the dashboard, or you can create a shortcut like I did and just click over there. The next thing you want to do is you can either click on launch instances here, or you can go to the instance management console and you can click over there, or you can click over there to launch it. So yeah, over here we're going to type in test just to give the instance a name. We're going to select Windows because this is one of the easiest ones you can launch. We're going to keep it on free tier, so we're selecting Windows, Microsoft Windows Server 2022 base. T2 micro, you can get different sizes of EC2 instances that you can launch, but to keep it free, we are going with the T2 micro over here. Then you are going to have to create a key pair. You can either use an existing one or you can create one, but for testing purposes, we are going to create one. Right, and you're going to keep it as a .pem file and create the SSH. See there, it automatically downloads, and then yeah, make sure you are launching it in the correct VPC. This is the default VPC. We're going to keep it like that, and then we're going to leave the security groups as the default one. Boom, launched. So it's going to take some time for the instance to launch. And if you go back to your management console over here, you'll see that we've launched an EC2 instance. This is the instance ID. It's pending. It's a T2 micro. And yeah, now we kind of have to wait. But while we're waiting, we are going to have to create an elastic IP address. So to do this, we're going to click on elastic IP address at the bottom, so that it's did. Click on allocate elastic IP address. So we are going to wait a little bit for the instance to initialize. As you can see, it is running, but it's still initializing. So I'm going to skip ahead to that. Okay guys, so as you can see now, the instance is running. Status check has passed, and we have our elastic IP address assigned. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to connect to the instance. So you're just going to click over here. We're going to go to the RDP client. The easiest way to connect is just to download the desktop file. So if you click on it, you're going to open that up. It's going to ask you for the password. So where do you get this password? So to get the password, you're going to click over here, upload the file, select, oops, there's my Fortnite folder. We're going to go to downloads and we're going to add the key pair, and we're going to say crypt, right? Once that's decrypted, we copy it, we go back to the remote desktop client and we paste the password in and we say, okay, click on yes, and your EC2 instance should launch. And there you go. Okay, so as you can see, we've managed to successfully launch into the EC2 instance, although it is still loading. This is a bit of a slow server because it's a T2 micro, so if you want something a little bit faster, you're going to have to launch it outside of free tier, and that will be subject to billing. Yeah, as you can see, we got a couple of things over here. We can, well, it's taking a while. Yeah, so you can do anything you want to do on a normal computer, but just bear in mind that this is a server and it might be subject to charges. But that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. Thank you.